Hello developers, in this very quick video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress and deploy it in by just using these some steps. So we have to firstly we have to install WordPress from the WordPress website. So there is two websites, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.org provides you a free version of WordPress, and WordPress.com provides you business level of version of WordPress, which may costs. So we are going to install WordPress.org version of WordPress. Just you have to click download WordPress and the current version. So it is downloaded. Now we have to unzip this file, unzip this folder. So we are going to unzip this. Until our WordPress is unzipping, we are going to install XAMPP to 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 push our database to the XAMPP server. So just write XAMPP in the browser and go to XAMPP. Install your preferred version. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to install this Windows version of 64-bit. You can also install Linux and Mac version. So this is my XAMPP. I'm going to install it. You have to just click yes. It will ask you some questions. Just put next, 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 and it will install you a very new XAMPP. So our WordPress folder is unzipped now. We have to move this folder into the C drive. Just cut this folder and move it to C drive in the XAMPP folder inside the htdocs. Remember this, inside the C folder, XAMPP folder, htdocs, and copy it. So our WordPress is going to ready. So after installing XAMPP and WordPress, so we have to write localhost slash WordPress. Now it will give you this interface. You have to just click continue and let's go. We have to create one database. So we'll go to. So this is our PHP my admin. We have to create one new database here. Click new and click anything like WordPress. We are creating one portfolio website, so we are creating portfolio database. Just click create and your process of PHP admin is completed. Now you have to just create one website here. So put the database name here, portfolio, and the username is root. It is by default and password is blank, and just click submit. Now run the installation, and now you have to create your website name. So I'm going to create portfolio Dave, and put your username here and password. You can give any password. Now it's very weak to have to confirm the weak password. Okay, and the main thing, just to give the email address, and don't check this because it will discourage your website in search engine optimization. Just click install WordPress. Now log in into the website and put the ID password. Now this is our new interface of WordPress. There is lots of things, but and there is not lots of things. I'll tell you everything about this. So this is a post page. You can create a post from here. This is media page. You can handle the medias of your website. This is pages. So you have create different pages for the like you can create home page, about page, and different pages, and you can manage your pages from here. You can create comment sections. This is appearance plugin, I'll tell you. This is a users, means you can manage the users from here. There is some tools and setting. So we have to first install our some we have to install some plugins. Okay, so we have completed install WordPress. We install XAMPP, Unzip XAMPP, copy in htdocs, started XAMPP, create database, started WordPress, username, root, password. Now we have to we have to install plugin called Elementor. So we'll go to plugins and searching here Elementor. Sorry, we have to go to add new and search here Elementor. So this is our Elementor. Just install now. While this is downloading, don't move to another page because it will give you some error. Okay, so currently this is our website. We'll create very good website from it. So just we have to go dashboard. Okay, our Elementor is installed. So we have to activate the plugin. Okay, so our Elementor is installed. Now we have to install one new theme called Astra, and search Astra. Okay, so this is our starter template. We have to install this too. Okay, so our starter template is downloaded. So we'll activate it. Okay, so this is our starter template. Now we have to go appearance section and starter template. This is our starter template. We have to build a new website from Elementor. Okay, so there is lots of templates here in the starter templates. You can install different plugins, but this is very preferable. So we are going to create one WordPress website. So I can search it portfolio. We are going to install create a portfolio website. So we'll search portfolio. Okay. So they give us some portfolio. These are premium. We'll, uh, we can use some like this one. So this is looking very good. I'll use this one. Just skip and continue. You can use these features that I'm going to install and submit and build our new website. It will take some time while you can drink some water. Okay, so congratulations. It's our new website is ready. So we'll go to view our website. Okay, so it looks like this now. Now we have to customize this whole website. We'll create a very new header and we'll edit all these things. So in this video, I'm just telling you the options. You can create your own, or if needed, I'll make a different video for it to customize whole website. For now, I'll tell you some things. This is customize. So for customizing your header and footer, you have to use customize option from here. It will redirect you to this page. You now you have to click header builder to customize your header from here. So you can upload your own logo. You have to remove this one. You can add your own logo or use this font, or you can use the text that you provided earlier or edited it. Now I am using this text, and you have to select these options where your site title is visible, and you have to publish it. Remember, you have to publish everything after editing. uh, then if you did not, then it will not publish in your website, so you have to publish it. Okay, so now it's look like this. You can edit your own fonts. So this is our customization option. So we installed Elementor. Elementor is very good page editing or WordPress website editing tool. So we are going to use Elementor. So okay, so our Elementor is starting now. Okay, so this is our Elementor, and we can see the sections. This is section page navigator. Okay, so here in this nine dots, you can go to these options, and you can add these things here in your website. Like I want to uh, add some heading here, so I just put this here and write hello. I am Dave Chen. So it will you have to update this now. It will update it in your website. Okay, so this is here. Here it is. Hello, I am Deep Jain. So you can edit anything. Just click here or edit from here or here. It will give. You have remember to edit from here, because sometimes you will just copy paste things. It will give you some different things. So it will give you some HTML things. So just edit from here. It will very nice for you. Okay, so this is Dev Jain web developer, and you can edit your picture. Like I'll choose different picture. So select files, and I want some different picture like this, or I want this one. Okay, I'll upload this and insert, select. Okay, so this is our picture. Now I have to update. Remember, you have to update everything after editing. And okay, so this is updated. Now when we reload it, so it will give you DevGen web developer and this my image. Okay, so this is now we have edited. I'll show you some things. Now you can edit your own website. These skills, just you have to go here and just here and edit and use this percentage to use the Python, and everything is very easy. You can edit anything. If you want a different video, I'll make it. Just say in comment section, comment the comment just comment, I want a whole video to create a WordPress website. Now it's time to deploy. What is remaining in our to-do list? We have installed theme, Astra, starter template, added the page and post. Okay, so we have to install simply static plugin to create our static website to deploy in Netlify. So I'll show you Netlify. Netlify.com. Just go to netlify.com to deploy your website. Okay, so you have to log in. Uh, I am already logged in. You can you can log in with GitHub, Google, or like any other Firebase application. Okay, so I am logged in. Now you have to go uh, just add new website and deploy manually. Okay, so you have to deploy your website manually, or you can deploy it by using uh, GitHub, or import it from GitHub, GitLab, or deploy manually, start from template. So I'm in this video I'm deploying manually. So you have to install one plugin called static. What it is called? Simply static plugin. So I'll go to my local host and to the dashboard. Okay, now in the plugin, add new, and simply search simply static. Okay, so this is our simply static. Just install it, wait for it, and activate it. Okay, so simply static is installed. We are going to activate it. Okay, so simply static is installed. We have to go simply static and just generate the static files. Click here. It will generate static files of your website in few minutes. So our simply static site is downloaded. Now we have to go in the folder and unzip this file. Okay, our file is unzipped now. This is a whole structure inside this. Okay, so we have to upload this folder in the Netlify here. So browsing, inside download we have a simple static folder. So just upload this whole folder. Upload. So our new website is ready now. It is deployed. Open run production deploy, and it will show you your whole new website in deployment. So this is our website with some domain name. So we can edit this domain name with by going in the site configuration, and here by changing site name you can change your site name, so it will be easy for you to search it. I am going to give this Dev Jain portfolio.netlify and save it. Now if you search in new window, I am searching in incognito window, Dev Jain portfolio.netlify.app. So now it's still deployed. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so we have covered all the points. Now like we have to check. Okay, so we install WordPress, we install XAMPP, we install Unzip XAMPP, configure htdocs, start XAMPP, create database, start WordPress, username root, password blank, install plugin Elementor, install the starter template, edit page, deployed website, installing. So you can edit different pages by using Elementor. If you go to edit Elementor in any page, like in this home, or if I search in different tab, like if I want to edit to another page, like I want to edit about page or portfolio page, so I can edit portfolio page and home page different tab. Okay, so you have to go to edit with Elementor, and edit anything that you want. Just I'm writing the developer to show you, and update the page. Okay, so if we search in localhost/WordPress in the portfolio section, developer is showing, so it is edited. Now if I search in our website dev-jain-portfolio.netlify.app, it will not show the same thing because we deployed the older version. I'll show you. So it is not here. So if you want to deploy it again, so you have to go to the deploys, and in this here you have to browse to upload and deploy a new version. Every time you have to deploy a new version. This is a flaw of Netlify, or you can edit you can deploy your website in GitHub, so it will automatically updated. You have to push the GitHub in the GitHub. So this is our whole video with summary.